In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an UGC video with Kling 3.0. And this is the video that we're going to do in this tutorial.
Okay, my hair was falling out a lot. I found clumps in the shower. I grabbed this Pantene bamboo, and after 3 weeks, it's falling out way less. Seriously, I'm obsessed.
So first of all, we need to go to NovoAds AI, and here you need to create an account. The link is going to be in the comment section. So now, once you have created the account, you will arrive here, and here we are going to go to the image section. Now here where it says describe your image, we're going to paste the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section, and now we have to click in settings. Now change the model to GPT-Image 2 and the quality from high to medium. This because it's much cheaper than the high quality. Now we have to click here in reference, and here we have to select the image of our product. Now let's click here. And well, as you can see, the prompt is designed for this product, a shampoo Pantene bamboo. So if you make a video of another product, you have to adapt the prompt to your product. And here, obviously, upload an image of your product. So now we have to click here, and now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the 3 images, and now we have to choose the one we like the most. Personally, I like this one, so now we have to click here where it says use as a start frame, and here I'm going to paste the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section as well. So now we have to go to settings, and in settings we're going to change the model to Kling 3.0. Then here in duration, my prompt is designed for a 12-second duration, but if your video is a little bit longer, use more time. So now we have to click here, and finally in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it.
Okay, my hair was falling out a lot. I found clumps in the shower. I grabbed this Pantene bamboo, and after 3 weeks, it's falling out way less. Seriously, I'm obsessed.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot. The video looks really realistic. The quality of the image is really good. As you can see, this image is better than the one of my camera. So if you want to do a video like this one, the prompts are going to be in the comment section, and you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. And then if you don't like it, you can just cancel anytime. So after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.